Fact 20. Jamaica entered the Guinness World Book of Record in 2020 when Brandon Chinloy, our own Jamaican Brandon Chinloy, and his 5-member team did the most chest to ground burpees within 24 hours in Abu Dhabi. Yes, in 2020. They did 12,502 chest to ground burpees. Oh my goodness, that was awesome. And that gained them a place in the Guinness World Book of Records. Jamaica in everything, not true? Happy Independence, Jamaica, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?